Hello friends, you are watching ISC Mathematics and we are solving exercise 15 of chapter number 15, similarity as a size transformation. We have already completed I think first 5 questions of this exercise. Now we will begin from question number 6 onwards. Okay, so question number 6. The scale of a map is 1:2 lakh. A plot of land of area 10 square kilometer is to be represented on the map. Yes or no? Actual area of land is given, that is 10 square kilometer. You are given the scale, that is K, 1:2 lakh. We have to Number 1, we have to find the length in kilometer on ground represented by 1 centimeter on the map. So you are given the length on the map, we have to find the actual length. Let us first write down the details. K is 1/2 lakh. Okay, actual area is given to be 10 square kilometers. Okay, number 1 we have to find. Okay, length on map. Length on map is given to be 1 square centimeter. We have to find the actual length or length in the ground. Yes or no? So once again, nothing new, we will use the formula. What is the formula? Length on map is equal to K into actual length. Clear? So length on map is 1 centimeter. Okay, this is not square centimeter, but the length is 1 centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1/345, 1/2 lakh into actual length. So 2 lakh into 1 will be 2 lakh centimeters is equal to actual length. Now we want to convert this centimeter in kilometer, so we will divide by 1 lakh. Therefore actual length is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 2 lakh upon 1 lakh, 3 4 5 kilometers is equals to 2 kilometers. This is the first answer. Yes or no? Now okay, let us find out the second answer. In this case, area is given. Area on map is 3 square centimeter. We have to find the actual area. So we will find out the actual area. Okay, number 2. Second number, area on map. Area on map is given to be 3 square centimeter. So again the same formula, area on map is equal to K square into actual area. Area on map is 3 square centimeter is equals to K square, that is 1/1 2 3 4 5 square into actual area. Okay, now these terms we will transpose on the left side. So we have 3 into 2 lakh into 2 lakh, because we have 1/2 lakh square. So 3 multiplied by 2 lakh into 2 lakh we can write. Square centimeter is equal to actual area. Okay, now in order to convert square centimeter into square kilometer, we will divide by 1 lakh into 1 lakh. Yes or no? So therefore actual area is equals to 3 into 2 lakh into 2 lakh upon 1 lakh multiplied by 1 lakh. Okay, so these 10 zeros will get cancelled, yes or no? And we are left with the actual area, which is 2 to the 4 3s are 12 square kilometers. Okay, so this is the answer, question number 6. Second one 2 and 12 square kilometer. Now the third one, the area on map representing the plot of land. Okay, now what is the plot of land? Actual area of the plot of land is 10 square kilometer. Now in the third question, actual area we have to take to be 10 square kilometer, and we have to find the area on the map. Clear? Okay, number 3. Actual area is equal to 10 square kilometer. We put the formula. Area on map is equal to k square into actual area is equal to 1 upon 2 lakh multiplied by 1 upon 2 lakh into 10 square kilometers. Okay, now obviously the area on map will be in smaller units, in square centimeters. So what we will do, we will convert this square kilometer into square centimeter. How? By multiplying with lakh into lakh, 1 lakh into 1 lakh. Okay, so let us do that. Therefore area on map is equals to 1 upon 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 into 10 into, okay, 1 lakh into 1 lakh, yes or no? So total 10 raised to 10 I can write, yes or no? So total 10 zeros after 1. Okay, so now 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5, this zeros we can cancel. Okay, so we are left with 10 upon 2 into 2 square centimeter. Okay, so 2.5 square centimeter is the area on map. This was the third answer of question number 6. Yes or no? 2.5 square centimeter. Clear? So far you have understood that if you remember the 3 formulas, then you are able to solve the full exercise. Okay, now let us solve question number 7. Okay, question number 7. On a map drawn to a scale, K is given 1 upon 20,000. Okay, rectangular plot for a rectangular plot ABCD. Okay, for a rectangular plot ABCD on a map, you are given the measures. AB is 32 centimeter, then BC is given to be 24 centimeter. We have to calculate the diagonal distance of the plot in kilometers. Okay, so let us draw on map the rectangle ABCD. Clear? Okay, AB is 32 and BC is 24. So is AC. Clear? So AC square is equal to, okay, in triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. We will use here Pythagoras theorem. Therefore AC square is equals to 32 square plus 24 square, 1024 plus 576. Therefore AC square is equals to 16, yes or no, 1600, and therefore AC, that is the diagonal length, will be 40 centimeter. Okay, so we got the diagonal length. Now we have to find the diagonal distance of the plot. This is the diagonal length on map. We have to find the actual diagonal distance on the of the plot. Okay, so we can use now the formula number 1. So diagonal distance on map is equal to k into actual diagonal distance or diagonal distance on plot. Yes or no? So on map we have 40 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 20,000 multiplied by actual length of diagonal on plot. Clear? So further steps we'll do on left side. Okay, therefore 40 into 20,000 is equal to actual length. Okay, 4 to the 8. 4, 5 is equal to actual length. This is in centimeters. So therefore 8 lakh upon 1 lakh kilometer is equal to actual length of diagonal, or yes, diagonal distance. So obviously this zeros will get cancelled. We will get actual diagonal distance will be 8 kilometers. This is the first answer. Okay, now we have to find the area of plot in square kilometer, actual area of plot. Okay, so for that we have to find first the area on map, then we will put the formula for the actual area. Clear? So far this first one is clear to you, how to calculate the diagonal distance. That is the formula only to calculate the length. Length on map is equals to k into actual length. Okay, now number 2, area of ABCD on map L into B. So length AB was 32 into 24. Okay. Seven 68 square centimeters. Yes or no? Okay, now we have got the area on map, so we can put the formula now. Area on map is equal to k square into actual area or area of plot. So area on map 768 square centimeter 1 upon 20,000 square into area of plot, therefore 768 into 20,000 square, or we can write now 20,000 into 20,000 is equals to area of plot. Okay, now this answer will be in square centimeters. So in order to convert into square kilometers, we'll divide by 1 lakh into 1 lakh. Therefore, area of plot is equals to 768 20,000 into 20,000 upon 1 lakh into 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 768 into 4 divided by 100. Yes, so now let us multiply, then we will convert into decimal. 28, 24, 32, 3072. 30.72 square kilometer is the final answer. This is the area represented on plot. Clear? Yes. Okay, so question number 7 is also over. Now let us solve question number 8. The dimensions of the model of a multi-story building are, okay, dimensions by dimensions we mean length, breadth and height of the model of a multi-story building are given. Okay, so length of model is 1 meter, breadth of model is 60 centimeter is equal to 0.60 meter, and height of model is equals to 1.25 meters. Clear? The scale factor K is 1:60, that is 1 upon 60. Actual dimensions of the building means actual length, breadth and height in meters we have to find out. Clear? In meters. Okay, so obviously since the units are given already in meters only, so no need to convert, only formulas. Okay, only dimensions we have to find. Yes, first we have to find the actual dimensions, and then 2 more questions are there. So let us find out actual length. Okay, or length on map K into actual length. So length on map is 1, length on of model. Actually here we are given model. The length of model is 1 meter. K is 1 upon 60 into actual length, and therefore actual length L will be 1 into 60, that is 60 meters. So actual length of building will be 60 meters. Now breadth of model is equal to K into actual breadth. So breadth is 0.60 meter, 1 upon 60 into actual breadth, and therefore actual breadth B is equals to 0.60 into 60. Therefore actual breadth B 36, yes or no? 36 meters. Clear? Now finally height. height of model denoted by H is equal to K into actual height. Okay, so height of model is 1.25 meter, 1 upon 60 into actual height, and therefore actual height H is equal to 60 into 1.25. Okay, so 125 75, yes or no? So we will get the actual length to be 75, actual height to be 75 meters. So now we have got the actual dimensions, that is actual length 60 meter, actual breadth 36 meter, and actual height of the building, that is 75 meters. Okay, now further questions are given. Floor area of room of building whose area in the model is 250 square centimeter. Okay, now we are given the floor area. Number 1, floor area of model 250 square centimeters. Yes or no? So we have to find the actual area. So we'll put the formula, therefore area of model is equal to T square into actual area. Okay, length, breadth and height, let us note down somewhere. Length 60, breadth 36, 60, 36 and 75. Okay, so area of model is 250 square centimeter, 1 upon 60. Okay, let us find out the actual area. Okay, so 60 into 60, that is 250 square centimeter into 60 into 60. Okay, now square centimeter, if you want to convert into meters, then we will divide this is square centimeters, yes or no? And therefore actual area two 50 into 60 into 60 upon 100 into 100. To convert square centimeters into square meters, we will divide by 100 into 100. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 3s are 2, 5s are 5, 1s are 5, 5s are 5, 6 are 30, 30 3s are 90 square meters is the actual area of actual floor area. This is the first answer. Now volume of room in model, we have to find actual volume is given 648. This is number 2. Okay, now we are given actual volume of building actual volume will be actual volume, yes, will be actual volume is given 648 cubic meters. We have to find the volume in model. So let us put the formula. Volume of model, for volume in model is equal to K cube into actual volume. is equals to k cube, that is 1 upon 60 into 60 into 60. Actual volume is 648. Okay, now cubic meter into cubic centimeter we will convert. This is cubic meters. So we have 648 into 100 into 100 into 100 upon 60 into 60 into 60. So 1, 2, 3 we can reduce, yes or no? And by 6 now let us start reducing. 6 1s are 6 8s are. Okay, again by 6 1s are 6 8s are. Okay, again by 6 3s are. Okay, so 3000 cubic centimeters, yes or no? 3000 cubic centimeters. This is the volume in model in cubic centimeters. Clear? Even you can keep this in cubic meters also, the model. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, if you want to convert, then you have to divide by 100 into 100 into 100, but no need. Okay, you keep in cubic centimeters only. So first answer was 90 square meters. Second answer is 3000 cubic centimeters. Okay, so question number 8 we have completed. I hope you are getting all these questions. Yes or no? So now let us solve the next question, that is question number 9. Okay, model of ship is made to a scale 1:2. Okay, scale is given 1:250. So 1/250 is the scale factor K. Okay, model of ship is made of the scale 1:250. Length of the ship, if length of its model is number 1, length of model is given 1.2 meter. We have to find the length of ship. Yes or no? So let us find out directly. Put formula only. Length of model is equals to K into actual length. So 1.2 meter 1 upon 250 into actual length, and therefore actual length of ship will be equal to 1.2 into 250 meters only. Okay, 3000. So 300, yes or no? 300 meters. Clear? So actual length of ship we got to be 300 meters. Now second answer. Area of deck of ship, if the area of deck of its model is 1.6 square meter. Okay, area of deck of model is 1.6 square meter. Area of deck in model is given 1.6 square meter. So put the formula. Area of deck in model is equal to K square into actual area of deck. Yes or no? Okay, so area of deck in model is 1.6 square centimeter is equal to 1 upon 250 into 250 into actual area, and therefore 1.6 into 250 into 250. square meters is equal to actual area. Now let us multiply. So 25 is the okay, so actual area, let us multiply. Therefore 16 into 250 into 250 upon 10 square meters is equal to actual area. Okay, this 10 you can get a cut. Now 25 is a 625 into 16 we will multiply. Okay, so 16 6 are 96, 32, 16 5 are 80. Okay, so the answer is 1 lakh square meters. Yes or no? 1 lakh square meters. Okay, and therefore actual area of that is equal to 1 lakh square meters. Okay, now let us find out the third thing. The second answer we got. Okay. Third one is volume of its model when the volume of the ship is 1 cubic kilometer. Volume of its model. Okay, volume of ship is given to be 1 cubic kilometer. Let us put the formula. Therefore, volume of model is equal to k cube into actual volume. Therefore, volume of model is that we have to find out. Okay, k cube, that is 1 upon 250 into 250 into 250. Okay, 1 cubic kilometer. Now 1 kilometer into meter will convert cubic meter. So 100 into 100 into 100. Yes or no? 1 into 100 into 100 into 100 cubic meters. 250, 250, 250. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 25 forza. Clear? And then we can reduce by 5. Okay, 5 2s are 5, 5s are. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. Yes or no? So 4 2s are 8 upon 25 5s are 125 cubic meters is equal to, or volume of model is equal to 8 upon 125 cubic meters is equal to 8 upon 125 100 into 100 into 100 cubic centimeters. Okay, 25 5s are 25 4s are 5 1s are 5 20s are. So 8 is the 64 cubic centimeters, 64000 cubic centimeters. Yes or no? First what we did here, we converted cubic kilometers into cubic meters. Then this will be a too small answer, okay, 0 point something. So better we convert this cubic meter into meters. Clear? So the answer for 15th is yes, 64 cubic meter it is. Okay, so what mistake we have done, let us find out. 64 cubic meter. Okay, yes, that is the mistake. What is the mistake over here? We have done mistake. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. We actually wrote 100 over here. So let us correct this mistake. Okay, so 1 into 1000 upon 250 into 250 into 250 cubic meters. 1 2 3. Okay, 25 40 25 40 5 5 5 8 5 1 5 8 8 8 64, and therefore volume of model is equals to 64 cubic meters. Clear? Okay, so question number 9 is also over. Now one more last question is left, so let us complete that last question of this exercise and also of this chapter. Okay, now question number 10. Let us solve. Let us read the question. A model of ship is made of the scale 1:200. So length of model, number one, length of model is given. Length of ship we have to calculate. Similarly, area of deck is given. Area of deck in model we have to calculate, and the volume of model is given. Volume of ship in cubic meters we have to calculate. Okay, so one by one we will solve. Okay, scale factor K is 1 upon 200. Okay, number one, length of model is given to be 4 meter. We have to calculate the length of the ship. So let us put the formula. Length of ship in model is equals to K into actual length of ship. Okay, so length in model is 4 meter is equals to K is 1 upon 200 into actual length, and therefore length of ship 800 meters. Clear? So this is the first answer. Now second answer. Okay, area of deck of ship. Area of deck of ship is given to be 1,60,000 square meter. We have to find the area of deck of the model. Okay, so put the formula. Area of deck of model is equal to k square into area, or actual area will write down, actual area of deck. Okay, so actual area is 1,60,000, so is equal to k square, that is 1 upon 200 into 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 8 and 2 4 so 4 square meters. This is the area of deck of model. Okay, so 804 square meter. Now the third one and the last one, the volume of model is 200 liters. Okay, we have to find the actual volume in cubic meter. So volume of model 200 liters. So let us put the formula. Volume of model is equal to k cube into actual volume. So 200 liters is equals to 1 upon 200 into actual volume, and therefore 200 into 100 liters is equal to actual volume. Now we know that in 1 cubic meter there are 1000 liters. Yes or no? So if you want to convert this liters into cubic meter, we have to divide by 1000. So let us divide by 1000. Therefore cubic meters is equal to actual volume. Okay, so 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16. Therefore actual volume is equals to 2 to the 4 4 to the 8 8 to the 16 1 2 3 4 5 cubic meters. Clear? So 160,000 cubic meters is the volume. Okay, required volume of the ship. Clear? So this was the last question of this exercise. I am sure that you have enjoyed solving this exercise, since this one was the most easiest exercise. Okay, so we have completed this chapter, and now in the next video we will start a new chapter. By that time, thank you very much, and again I will remind you that please subscribe my channel ISC Mathematics, like my videos, share my videos. Thank you very much.